Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna tell you about how you can fix your overheating problem in your Nothing CMF phone, one mobile phone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to turn off battery saver in the settings. Here you have to go to settings, go to battery. Here it is battery saver. If you have enabled that, just disable this. Press back, go to your settings. Here it is apps. You have to go to any apps and you have to turn off background data from here. If it is on, just turn it off. You have to do this with all the apps. It will prevent running in the background apps. And then you have to just simply again go to settings, and here it is battery. Just click on sleep standby optimization, click on battery health, and you have to enable this option, and you have to just restart your mobile phone and your problem will be solved successfully. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.